Plains Ag Center in Beardsville, South Dakota with your market comments for July 1st. This video will yield 5 minutes of your time with bulls and bears, thoughts on wheat and corn and bean volatility. At Dakota Plains, we believe we want to empower farmers to make confident decisions. Dakota Plains wants to be a valued marketing resource on your farm. We don't predict price here. We can analyze current market facts along with your current needs and build a plan to empower you to make those confident decisions. So volatility is a sediment in the market. Volatility can drive a guy crazy. Farmers and grain marketers both. Marketing plan can help smooth out the emotions. Marketing plan is always adjustable. At the end of the day, it's just a plan. Timing is super important in grain marketing. As we can tell, the last 10 days, an opportunity can come and go very quickly. Having a plan to pull the trigger at certain levels when the market gets there is super powerful. I sat down with a guy this week and we put in 2 offers to sell at a good portion of his crop, corn, if the market gets there. Target offers. So if the offers fill, he was looking at protecting $40 an acre profit and $60 an acre profit at his APH levels. If he outgrows his APH levels, it's even better. So we put a date to review the offers in 1 month if they don't fill, so we can adjust the plan in August. He was really comfortable with the offer if the offers hit, and I was super impressed on that. He was focusing a lot on profit per acre more than price, where we've seen a lot. When the market's running, it's easy to focus on price. So after the last 10 days, he was looking at his farm a little bit differently. And he was looking at it with his business glasses on. And so I have a really unique tool to walk through a marketing plan with the guy and give him a snapshot of what's going on in his farm. When I do this with guys, I get really good feedback that it's super impactful. And the visuals that the tool offers are really impactful to them. So also now I want to talk about wheat. It's wheat harvest. We're taking in wheat. We've been taking in wheat Thursday and Friday here at the elevator, so it started. We expect, when we come back from 4th of July here, that we'll have trucks here on the 5th. So wheat, there's some unique dynamics in the marketplace with wheat. We're trading near contract lows. We got large carries in the market. In the futures market, and we got less desirable flat prices for farmers. So there's also some logistical things. Some guys don't store wheat. Some guys do. They don't like to. So there's some uneasiness on there about storing wheat because of quality and bugs. I've heard guys say recently, I have no idea what to do with wheat. So we've been putting our heads together here. We got 4 guys on our grain team, Tyrone, Dylan, myself, and Jordan. And we've put together some ideas, some strategies for guys. So if you want to reach out to us, and we can ask about your situation and see if we can help somewhere. So a lot of times we see wheat go in the bin on the farm in July, and then we see guys want to pull it out in a panic in September because they're getting ready for corn and bean harvest. So if you want to avoid that, reach out to us. We can work out something, maybe give you some ideas how you can stay in the market and move grain off the combine. We can also talked about carries, how we can capture some of the carries in the market if you're gonna store wheat on your farm. So reach out to us and we can talk about your wheat situation. So Bulls and bears for this week. We got corn, bulls, or weather. We're in a crucial growing period for the corn the next 2 to 3 to 4 weeks here, this July time period. So it all depends upon weather. When we get rains, if we get rains, if they're getting rains in the east. We've had some favorable forecasts for the east lately, and that's contributed to some of the sell-off. Corn bearish things are we had a bearish USDA report. The crop conditions ratings are pretty high from the USDA. If we have a trendline yield, we're going to continue to build carry in the corn. And yesterday, the USDA printed a 94 million acres of corn planted. So, those were things weighing on the markets for corn. Soybean bulls, we have strong export demand from China. The South American crop and uncertainties of weather and their reduction in yield down there has also been a bullish factor for the soybeans. The soybean bearish factors, we have a strong US dollar, we have good crop ratings and conditions, and another bearish factor is we increased our bean acres to 83.6 million acres planted, what the USDA said yesterday. So the soybean situation is, to me, it's shaping up. The world is becoming more reliant upon this year's US crop. They want to make sure we grow it, and so we're seeing values stay up there, and we're relying upon this U.S. crop to maintain this world carryout and to satisfy the world demand with this uncertainties in South America. So, and a lot depends upon late July and August weather. So, soybeans have been supported because of that uncertainty. So, crop conditions in our area are good. Things look good pretty right now, but we should probably start asking Grandma to start praying her rosary beads for a little bit of rain. We could use a rain here in the next 10 days to 3 weeks, and it's really amazing how fast things can change after a wet planting. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Build a plan and get your targets in. Thank you.